I think I found the problem, I hope. What I did was I took the air filter out, which is a little foam air filter. Fits right in here. Of course, it's 33 years old. And what I did when I first cleaned it is I put some 80 weight oil on it. I may have put too much, or the styrofoam may have degraded over those years. So I totally cleaned it off with this blue cleaner, put it back in, adjusted the carb, and now I've got a really good idle. So I'm going to have to put the seat back on, take it for a spin, and see if it will go from low gear to high gear with no stalling. But I also brought over a flywheel puller. I'm going to take this exhaust pipe off again, pull this wheel, and get at the flywheel. I think there's a lot of really fine dirt in there from when this guy had this bike. When he first bought it, he was on a country road in a farm, and he would drive it along those dirty, really fine dirt farm roads. So it's still idling. So I'm going to put it back together and give it a ride and see if it works. And if it works, then I'm on my way to building the deal.